How to recover deleted messages in Telegram. So I'm going to tell you all about it, and it's very simply. So first you have to go to the Telegram apps, and suppose we accidentally deleted the chat with the important people that we care about. And now we have to quickly restore it. So we have to go to the settings on the left in the bottom corner, and then we look down, and then we click on the help, click on the OK. Here in the support chat, click on the start, and then click on the contact the volunteers. Then click on yes, redirect me. Here you will be given a link to the site where you can solve your problem. Follow this link and turn to the bottom and where Telegram support. Click this form, explain your problem, leave your mail and phone number, and then send your message. Support team will answer you and help you. I hope I help you. Thanks for watching.